Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable low power standby for your BOSE S1 Pro Plus. You have to start by open the BOSE application and after that go to the settings at the right top. And right here in the power we have low power standby. So right here is enable because I have a color background, and to disable it just click at this slider. And if you have empty color here at the background, it means that it's disabled, and to enable it just click again. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.